Do you want to establish a successful online shop? To do so, you need to go through certain steps, and we will explain them to you in this video. To begin with, you need to deal with the basic questions, such as which shop system is best suited to your needs. Do you want to create and design the shop yourself? Do you have enough knowledge of website and shop design or the time to learn it? This will determine whether you opt for a drag-and-drop website builder or content management systems such as WordPress or shop systems such as Shopware. A website builder offers you many pre-built elements so that you can create a shop without much previous knowledge. However, you have significantly fewer options for customizing your shop. These options are offered by the content management and shop systems. But creating this kind of shop also takes more effort. You also need to consider which functions and special features your shop should have. These include not only the design options, but also payment methods, connections to other systems, security aspects, and loading times. At the same time, you also need to decide on a suitable web space. Among other things, it is important to consider how many visitors you expect on your platform on a regular basis. Will there be a spike at special times, such as Christmas? How many items and therefore pages should your online shop contain? Should your shop also include additional content such as a blog and videos? This determines not only how much storage space you need, but also your requirements for the security and speed of your shop. With your chosen shop system and web space, you now have the foundation on which your shop will be based. Now it can be planned in detail. This includes, for example, the design of the shop, the page structure and menu navigation, and the content such as images, text and videos. At this point, you should also have researched search engine optimization and included it in your site planning. Once you have completed all the preparations, you are ready to set up your shop and fill it with content. In addition to all the overview and product pages, don't forget the legally required pages such as a legal notice and privacy policy. You also need to think about order confirmations and invoices when a customer buys from you. This requires appropriate emails and connections to your systems. Now is the time to test your shop. Does everything work as it should? Have your shop tested by independent people and get detailed feedback on their user experience. Once your shop is up and running, you need to promote it. Social media, adverts, flyers, use the various marketing options to draw attention to your shop. Even after the successful launch, you should continue to optimize your online shop and adapt it to your customers' needs. Therefore, always be open to feedback from your customers. Are you looking for a hosting solution that is precisely tailored to the needs of online shops? We will be happy to advise you on our shop hosting packages. We wish you every success with your online shop.